Balaji, Managing Director of Empo Technologies, DMCC. Empo Technologies is a boutique technology firm based in UAE, delivering smart technology solutions for compliance challenges faced by companies in the GCC. As you are all aware, the GCC economy has seen a lot of new regulations being issued, particularly in the area of taxation in the recent past. Our first compliance product, MTax, is a cloud-based SaaS software that delivers VAT compliance automation for the GCC. It has customized tax engines based on each GCC country VAT laws, currently for UAE, Saudi, and Bahrain. MTax has been designed by a highly specialized team of tax and technology professionals with extensive experience of working for and with companies in the Middle East. Ensuring correct tax filing, VAT filing, can be a challenging task even in normal times. Companies are faced with many problems like IT systems limitations, manual processes, people challenges, and to top it, there are also regular updates to VAT laws which make it very difficult for companies to stay compliant. To overcome these problems and to file your VAT returns correctly in these challenging times is where MTax automation can help. Our out-of-the-box VAT software solutions can help you reduce costs and improve VAT filing accuracy using the power of technology. We have multiple types of products to suit different market segments. For instance, if you're a big business group using standard ERP systems such as Oracle or SAP, with an in-house IT team, we can automate the data flow using our open APIs. If you are SME, our standard SaaS product allows for uploading data in Excel directly into our tool and proceeding with validation and automating the health check of the data before you do your VAT filing. And if you're an audit and accounting firm, we can work with you to streamline the VAT compliance department, reduce the time your team spends to prepare VAT returns for your client, and improve the quality of your VAT review with 100% line-by-line verification of transactions. This is especially critical in the current times where you would like to reduce costs. And some of the key features include detailed VAT reports which help you to manage FTA audits as well as the other audits in other countries. The group VAT consolidation reporting, which the smaller accounting softwares cannot probably do. FX engines based on VAT rules from each of these countries are being maintained by our tool. And finally, we also have a FAF file generation, which some of the softwares don't provide. So the basic benefits would be you can reduce your cost of VAT compliance, manage the risk of penalties due to improper and incomplete VAT filing, and most importantly, continuously monitor your VAT compliance process, thereby reducing your costly internal audits. Please do contact me if you see any need or opportunity to enhance your company's VAT compliance. Thank you very much. I thank IBPC also for providing us with this opportunity. Thank you very much.